Land of Samurai YouTube channel, and today for a change we are going to see something out of the usual videos. So today we are going to unbox the Dell XPS 13-inch 2-in-1 model, which was released very recently and it's just 1 month old in the market. What I mean is, like, it is for the 11th generation model, which uses the Tiger Lake processor. We are going to unlock the box and see what are the items are provided by the company. And one good thing about Japan is that we get the product with the theft insurance also. So I have taken the insurance also for 4 years. Maybe if something wrong happened, unfortunately it will not happen in Japan kind of country. And if anything happens, then I will get my laptop back also. So I'm very much confident that I can carry this laptop anywhere within the country or anywhere around the world. And yeah, let's take the laptop. So this is the parcel that I have received, and you can see it's a parcel from the Dell company. So I ordered directly from the Dell website. So they took around 2 to 3 weeks. So I ordered the laptop, immediately it was released, and this is the Dell XPS 2-in-1 model. Let's unlock the box and see that. So this is how it is inside. It's very safely packed. Website for the last few years continuously Dell XPS is outperforming any other laptop, and it's actually a very good one. So as per the reviews that I have seen in other YouTube channels and other websites also. So let me unbox the laptop and see how it is. Okay, the first impression is like whenever I go and get some products like iPhone that comes with the proper packing, so that is the feel I'm getting. Wow, wow, wow. Feel really excited to see this actually. It's very, very beautiful. They have given the wrapper. Wow. I really feel excited to see this laptop in my hand actually. So I went to the shops also to identify like what to experience this laptop in hand, and unfortunately the stock was not there because it was released newly. Okay, so this is the 2-in-1 model. It is well packed and they have given the wrapper. Okay, let's keep the laptop aside and see what other things are there inside. Okay, so they have a small brochure about XPS 13-9310 2-in-1 model. Okay, so they have given a brochure and some catalog about it. Let's keep this aside. Okay, there is a charger. Okay, so actually the laptop, right, it doesn't have any USB port, because any new laptop that comes with the USB-C type Thunderbolt one, and they have given 2 different USB-C type Thunderbolt. So one is this side and another is this side. So it can be used for power as well as for connecting to your HDMI cable or whatever it is. The one thing is that you have to get your new accessories for this, and they have given another point for the headset jack, audio jack. Okay, so actually it is 1300 grams. It's very lightweight, so it can be used as a tablet also, so it has to be lightweight. Fine. So they have given the charger, fine, and another one they have given a Thunderbolt to USB connector. It's nice. Okay. So this is a charger extender. Okay. So yeah, we have to connect the charger here, and yes, it can be connected. Okay. So one thing about the packaging that I see is it's very well packed. If you see, the packaging itself really good, and it's with the good quality material. Even they have given the good preference for the packaging materials as well. That's nice. I love this box. Let me keep these things down and let's open the laptop. Okay. So I took the laptop outside. Yes. Okay. Wow, it's very nice. So a few things I need to talk about this laptop is about the generation, the 11th generation for the Intel processor. Okay, few things I need to talk about this laptop. The first thing is like this is the 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor, and before that the 10th generation had some problem. Intel 10th generation had some minor problems, so they have released the 11th generation very quickly. Usually it takes 2 to 3 years of gap between one generation to another generation, but this one was released within a year after the 10th generation, and it is very fast. Comparatively it is very and the cache memory for this laptop is 12 MB. So when you have a good amount of cache memory, right, so the processing will be very fast comparatively. I have pre-installed the OS Windows 10 Pro version, not home version, Pro version, so that it will be more usable when I work with a lot of cloud related technologies. And it is a 64-bit processor, and they have given the infrared camera as well here. So for the previous versions, like when you open the laptop, it will not automatically recognize you, but here it will automatically recognize, like you will have the face detection and open the computer. You no need to give your password. Okay, so the buttons and the build quality is really good. When I am touching it, actually I can feel it. So if you see this color, so this is the platinum silver color outside and black interior. The main thing I did not tell about this computer is a 2-in-1 model, and if you see, it's very thin. You can see in the side how thin it is, and it's very lightweight. As I said, like it is only 1.3 kilogram, so which is 1300 grams. Yes, I can just to fold it and use it as like a tab in my hand. Okay, so that is one option. Or I can watch movies like this, so it is automatically identifying, so I can keep it like this and watch movies. And they assured that Dell assured that actually it gives a good battery backup as well. And this is full HD display. I did not go for the 4K one. This is a full HD display, and quite good actually. Yeah. Yes, it's a 2-in-1 model. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, now we are verifying the audio of the laptop. Sounds really good.
I am Chitti, reloaded, version 2.0.
Thanks for watching. So this is my first attempt on unboxing any new product and making it as a video. There are some glitches in that, but let's hope to improve in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.